Check it out, there's new packaging from Stitch Fix. I'm so excited. Let's unbox my fall 2024 Stitch Fix shipment. Okay, at first glance, I'm loving it so far. I love these colors. Item number 1, this is pretty soft. Cute. Dolman sweater. It's in a teal color. It's kind of on the shorter side, a little bit cropped. Got the Dolman sleeves, buttons down one side. I think I will love it because it's soft, it's my color, and it's warm. I tend to always be cold. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, look at those colors. Those are my colors. I love them. Another Dolman style top, a kind of grayish teal color, softer teal than that other one. It's shorter sleeve, but it is really soft and on the thicker side, so it doesn't feel super summery. I think it'll be nice for fall. I've looked at this top on their website many times in black, I think maybe cream, and this color, so I'm really excited they picked it for me. Here's a neutral color. Love the neutral colors. Oh, cute. This is a long sleeve sweater, and the sleeves are like a crochet knit, a little bit see-through. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Again, really soft. I'm a big fan of soft fabrics. Yeah, this is really cute. I think it'll be nice for work, for weekends. It's a little bit more of a fitted style compared to the Dolman style ones. The sleeves are really fun, that they're kind of crocheted and different detail. I can't wait to see how that one looks on. My favorite color. I love to wear black. I would just wear all black all the time if it wasn't for Stitch Fix. Oh my gosh, it's a denim jacket. Look at the detail on the back. Kind of a traditional denim jacket style. It feels like a stretchy, softer denim. It's got pockets. This fits good and it's comfortable. It's another thing I'm gonna wear all the time. Okay, last item. I got some jeans. Let's see how they did. Mid-rise Natalie flare. So these look like a solid indigo blue. They got a little flare. These are great. I wear a lot of jeans to work. If these are comfortable and fit well, I will wear these all the time this fall too. Okay, at a first glance, I love it all. Let's see how it all fits, because that's always where the real decisions happen. Ooh, okay. I love this sweater. It is really soft. I like how it's fitted on the arms. Look how cute these buttons are. And it's not too short. I love this. This will be great. I'm gonna wear this a ton in the winter and fall. And this is cozy and soft and nice, and I love it. Let's look at these jeans. These are mid-rise. I do like them, but they are way too long. Look at that, I'm pointing my toe. They're way too long. I am surprised because usually everything they send me fits really well. I'm a petite, and they always send me petite size pants. They fit well every time, which I'm shocked at because it's hard to find pants that aren't too long out in the real world. I don't know what happened, Stitch Fix. These are too long. I'm gonna see if we can exchange them or something, because I do like the jeans. I wanna keep them, but I don't wanna have to hem them myself. I want them to fit. Okay, I'm liking these Dolman style tees. I think the sleeves are kind of cute length. It's fun and different. I love this here. And it is a little bit fitted at the bottom, so it doesn't feel like too loose and baggy and boxy everywhere. Really soft. I love the color. Everything matches my earrings. Everything I have is black or blue or some kind of teal or gray. So this is great. It matches what I have. It's soft. I love it. Let's keep going. Here's this sweater. I think this is really dainty and feminine and pretty. It feels soft. It feels thinner. The sleeves just feel really good. They're not itchy at all. And it fits really nice. I really like this. This is one of those things that I may not have picked on my own in a store, but because they sent it, I tried it on and I love it. I feel good in it. Let's try on this jacket. Oh, cute. Oh yeah, this fits great. It buttons, it's stretchy, it's soft, but it's denim. I probably wouldn't ever button it, but it's nice to know that it buttons. It's nice to have layers, and I feel like the black is a little bit dressier. Like I don't want to always wear a blazer to work, but I could dress things up a little bit with this black denim jacket or dress it down and do something really fun with it for date night. The sleeves are already cuffed, but I might cuff them more and do kind of a shorter sleeve. That's really cute. Stitch Fix, thank you for another great fix. I love everything you picked. Again, I'm a little bit bummed that you didn't send me a petite pair of pants because you always do, and that's what I need. That's what fits me. I'm too short for regular pants. But if it wasn't for that, I would definitely have kept all 5 things. So I'm gonna see if we can do an exchange or what we can do about the pants because I do wanna keep them. I just want a pair that fits. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you want some tips on how to get good fixes, I made a video about some of the tips I use that has helped me get 5 out of 5 every time except for this time. And I have a couple other videos on my other unboxings of Stitch Fix too, so check them out.